guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to tell you a little bit about the channel membership. Now, I'm aware I'm very Halloween themed, but it is October and this is the first month I'm trialing this new thing out. So I've designed it so there's two tiers. So there's a $1.99 tier and there's a $12.99 tier. The $1.99 tier just is to say thank you, a bit of support, and you'll get early access to all my YouTube videos, and we can chat, and I'll do polls on what you want to see in my YouTube videos, and you can just be involved in what I create and make sure it's something you're wanting to watch, basically. And then for $12.99 you get a members only video. Now this can be anything from a haul to a style video or whatever you guys are after, but the more people who sign up to this tier, the more videos I will make each month. So it's sort of, you got a minimum of one extra video each month, but for $12.99, if enough of you join, I'll be making, you know, 10, 20 extra videos. It just depends on the amount of you and what the interest is sort of like, because you might have noticed my channel's changed a little bit recently. This is because of YouTube's new guidelines, and I can't make money off videos like I used to, so I've had to make them, I don't want to say more tame, but you get the idea. So the channel membership is just a way for me to keep doing what I used to do and really enjoy doing, but it does it comes at a cost now because I can't get the ad revenue I used to get off those videos, because YouTube's just, you know, it's got a lot more strict on what ads are played on videos, and I won't go into the rant, but even though my videos never went against the community guidelines, they would just get flagged up anyway, because of the algorithm. So there wasn't really much I could do about that. I tried fighting it, but it was just getting too annoying having to fight for every single one of my videos. YouTube just automatically would, you know, it's a robot that looks at the video, it might identify me trying something on or something like that and be like, instantly red flag. Doesn't get red flagged, but it would either get age restricted or demonetized. And for me, even though this is a hobby of mine, you know, I do need to eat, and so I was making a living off of it, and that's why I've had to change what I do slightly. So the channel membership is just a way to keep things fun. I also opened up my Patreon again this month, so that's going as well. So if you're not one for Patreon, you can do the channel membership, or you can do both. That would be amazing. But they'll have different content on them, so it's just a bit of fun basically. But I'll put the links to Patreon in the description, and you can also find all the rewards for the channel membership will be posted in the community area. So yeah, there's a little join button next to my subscribe button now. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you if you do decide to support me. It really does mean the world. So thank you again.